Well, hello. This is Rochelle, and thank you for joining me here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. It's freezing cold here in South Africa. I believe you guys are having some serious heat that side. So I'm sitting with my coffee and a hoodie and really just trying to cozy up here. What I had in mind first didn't work, but I decided to leave it in just so that you can see sometimes things don't work out the way that I plan it or want it. I think that's so perfect. God's will is just clearly different. And I know it's a silly thing. It's not like God made the embossing dabber not work or whatever. But what I'm trying to say is sometimes the plan that God has for the puzzles of our lives is not necessarily our plans. And it is what it is. And you can either have a good attitude about it or you can have a bad attitude about it. Either way, you're going to have to go through. So it's something that a long time ago someone said to me, and I at first was very offended. We're being purified. We're either being purified by fire, okay, or we're being purified by water. And that we need to decide. Do we want to take the first advice on how to do it, the water washing of the word, or do we want to go the hard way and take the fire? So that's just a little side note. Don't know how I got to that. Anyways, I have this little stencil with these puzzle pieces by Room 5 Graphics. If you are in the States and you have access to the beautiful puzzle piece stencil by Creative Retreat, please go get that. It is so gorgeous. I wish we could get it here in the States. I am still going to make a plan and figure that out. And I'm just using some gelatos in 2 colors. I believe I used the coral and the blue sapphire from the iridescent 2 range, and just blending it through the stencil with a foundation contour makeup brush. And then heat setting it, especially because I did have that page wet when I started. So the gelatos were kind of mushed, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just heat setting it to make sure that it's all good and well. And then putting down my washi strip, this faux washi strip, on the top and the bottom. In the end, the page kind of was very busy, and especially on the camera, it looks way more busy than what it is in life. But I really am so encouraged by this devotional at this very present time. So I shot this video at the end of June, and July so far has been one challenge with my health on top of the other, and I am battling with my hands severely, and it has been, a challenge. And I just am so thankful that I got the chance to work with this devotional, because in this devotional, and especially Romans 8 verse 28, God speaks so beautifully of working together for the good, those things, even the ones that we can't see the purpose of, and God works it for the good of those who are called according to his purpose, who love him. And because they're working together for the good, I've got to endure, like it says about Christ and the cross. Christ endured the cross for the joy set before him. He knew that many would be saved, and I'm not saying people are going to be saved through my hands that are hurting, but I am saying God's given me a testimony and something to say, and even time in hospital, I can look at it as, just get it done and over with, or like I can use it to testify. I can work, or I can allow God to work in and through me for the good, even in the horrible times. And so I was privileged to minister to a lady in front of me in hospital who really was going through all of the things I was going through a little while ago, and I could encourage her, and I could share with her, and I could give her some upliftment in a time when myself needed that. So if you want to receive that healing, let God work together for the good inside of you, everything that you need. do check out this sale, only valid during July. And I am really thankful, so thankful that you guys watched, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.